All right, y'all. Before we even get into this AI talk, let me show y'all something real quick. 1 10-second short, almost 1 million views, 6,400 new followers, and over 50% retention. That's not luck. That's the strategy I use. This is the video that did it.
Now, fellas, they done lost their food stamp, so you got to come in gentle. Don't rush it. Sympathize first.
So, like, I ask her if she need help with her groceries first?
Exactly. You don't flash the cash right away.
Everybody online talks about AI, but I'm out here using it. I'm using Sora and ChatGPT together, basically to engineer the best content. Yo, do me a favor. Don't skip around. Stay locked in to the end, because if you miss one step, this setup won't hit right. Also, I got a bonus in the description. I got the prompt that I use saved as a PDF. You can download it and use it for free. This is the exact one I use when I'm creating my shorts and TikToks. This ain't a tutorial, it's a survival guide. Cause if y'all miss out on AI, like how people missed out on like the .com boom, Bitcoin, this is now the new time to get in. That's why I'm making this tutorial, to try to get you guys in while it's still fresh before it gets saturated. Cause I'm sure by January, everybody gonna be making AI video. Well, they already are. Now, this is the male focused channel. I speak from a man's lens, for men trying to lead, build, and protect what's theirs. But anybody can stay and learn from this, because what I'm about to show you goes beyond social media. You can use the same setup to promote your business, your brand, your message, whatever you're building. You used to need a full team, an editor, a designer, a script writer. Now with this tutorial, you'll learn to make AI your team. Here's how the system flows. ChatGPT is the brain, Sora is your hand. You tell ChatGPT what to imagine, it gives you the blueprint, dialogue, pacing, and tone. Then you feed that into Sora and it turns those words into cinematic visuals. So with this prompt, you don't need to be fancy, you just need to say what your idea is. So pretty much start simple, don't chase fancy prompts. Example, generate a short film of a man working late in his car, narrating about self-discipline. That's enough for Sora to create your first scene. Then use ChatGPT again to refine the dialogue and captions. So to bring that down a little bit, you just put a generic idea in and ChatGPT is going to set it all up for you. You can put the script or what you want to say and ChatGPT is gonna make it all sound good. So you don't need a full studio, you just need precision. ChatGPT gives clarity, Sora gives the motion. All right, so I'm about to show y'all how this works. So you want to start with attaching the prompt, and this is the full PDF that I built. That'll be in a description that you can use for free. Once it's attached, you just ask it, make a skit of a dog in rehab because he can't stop chasing cars. He's addicted. Run it through like that. And it all loads up. And if you don't like anything, you can go in and change it or make suggestions like, okay, I don't like how this sound. Maybe it'll flow better like this. And chat will keep tweaking it until you get what you want. And then after that, you just take just the scene part that goes in Sora, not all the instructions. So you highlight that, and then that's what you're going to paste in the Sora too, and get your video from there. And then I keep all my skits in the same thread. So instead of starting a new thread, a new chat, just keep it in here. And you could say new prompt, a cat in rehab because he's addicted to milk. Run it through and it's gonna know, it's gonna make a new skit, and chat will basically, the more skits you do with this prompt, it'll start to learn you. It'll start to learn your habits. I like to do a lot of funny ones, so it'll learn basically how you are as a comedian or whatever, and make suggestions. So a lot of times they'll say, do you want to do a next? Yep. Do you want me to write the next episode where Whiskers tried soy milk at group therapy. So that's pretty funny. But yeah, so this is how I get the best out of my Sora 2 skits, is I'm using ChatGPT to create the prompts. And Sora 2 has its own prompt, but ChatGPT or any other AI, the more you use it and talk to it about things, it gets to know you. So mine knows me and it does better. We work better making skits. All right. So here's the challenge. Make your first 15-second AI short today. Use Sora for visuals, ChatGPT for words, and your discipline for everything else. Hit the link in the description, grab the bonus prompt, and test it tonight. It'll save you hours and make your content sound like you, not like everybody else using AI. And remember, it's not about keeping up with AI, it's about teaching it who the leader is. AI is only as smart as the person using it, so you got to be crafty with it. And I'm gonna have a part 2 coming up that's going to show how I use AI as far as my prompts, as far as creating my YouTube videos. Make sure y'all check that one out. All right, subscribe or just like the damn video. I'm out.